Hey planner friends, I am so excited because I just got my package from PrintPression. I think you know what's in here already. I ordered the PrintPression weeks because, because I'm never satisfied, right? Like any planner girl, the second something new comes out, we're like, yes, I need it, even though we really don't need it. I have my Hobo weeks, but this really intrigues me, so let's dive in. And can we talk about how pretty this envelope is? I love this shade of blue. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, make sure I got everything. Yep. All right, so get 25% off with Annie Plans printables. Impressions. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So clearly I got the gray one. There was a black and a pink. Oops. I have been struggling with my tripod here, so I apologize that you can still see the feet. It just doesn't want to cooperate today. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we get 2 ribbons. Look at that. My goodness. So this was a collaboration between Kane and Annie, and I just love how this paper is white. Like, that was the thing about the Hobonichi weeks that just drove me nuts, was how yellow those pages were. And I was worried about how many pages you would get. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. All right, so it's what you're here for. You want to know similar? We're gonna find out. So let's take this all out. First, let's see how it fits inside this planner society. Is this the right way? Yeah. Yes, it fits. Lovely. I have so much stuff in here. So I am taking out my Hobonichi from this cover, which is Hide and Seek in the Dark, I believe. Made by Hobonichi. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh boy. Snap. It's gonna be snug, but it fits. That's all that matters. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these things yet. I might cut them. All right, now check that out. Huge difference. White, not white. White, not white. No words or lettering, all sorts of stuff. And unfortunately we can't read because most Americans cannot read Japanese, which is unfortunate because I think there's supposed to be like really cool quotes and stuff. Anywho, I really like it. I'm really excited to get back to my sticker stash because I haven't used box stickers in such a long time, and I have like a huge collection just sitting there, and I felt guilty about that, and now I can. So I don't know when I'm going to start this. Probably not till October, just because I have plans throughout September for this. But then I'll probably make the switch and not feel guilty at all, because I've really used this pretty hard. And I use this pretty hard, and it's held up. But this, if we're being honest, this cover is way sturdier than this one. This is really bendy. This one kind of bendy. I don't know. I'm really excited. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's just put it in here for S's and G's and y'all. So exciting. All right, well, that's the end of this video. It was just going to be a super quick look what I have and comparison. I will definitely do a plan with me come October. We'll do one in October. Okay, enjoy your weekend, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.